Morning everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. So today is a daily vlogging. So let's just begin the vlog. And now they are just putting the medicine to every road, each and every road. So we'll just look at this on. Let's just go and see. Just show you. It's a medicine. Yo, hi. कोई देख रहा है मुझे वहाँ से? हेलो. वो इंडिगो नहीं है, इंडिगो है, नहीं तो एयर एशिया होगा. नहीं, इंडिगो बिकॉज इट्स ब्लू एंड वाइट. देयर इज अ काइट आल्सो. हेलो. ಈಗ ಮನೇಲಿ ನೀನು ಮೀನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? ನೋಡ್ದಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಬೇಕಾ? ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಾಡಿ
ಒಬ್ರು ಕೊಡೆ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು, ಒಬ್ರು ಮೀನು ಹಿಡಿತಿದ್ದ ನಾವು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಕೊಡೆ ಹಿಡಿಯೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೀನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So here we are just cleaning the fish. And we clean the fish, and he's scolding me. I don't know, for no reason. So this is how I look like because I'm holding the umbrella and covering Daddy because it's raining heavily. It started raining suddenly. It was cloudy, but it was not seem to look like it will rain, and it just started raining. And this is what we do in the rain. We wanted to clean, and I'm just holding the umbrella, and he's cleaning. Daddy, can you please show your face? Not really? Tip tip barsa pani pani.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಬಾ ನಡಿ ನಡಿ. ಹೇಳಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It's raining very badly and I'm Chandi from back. Daddy is also Chandi from front. This is how Daddy's Chandi. This is how Nandu back to his Chandi. We just came inside this kind of a storeroom, open storeroom. So here is he sitting there and he's cleaning because they know even I'm wet from back. Completely back is wet because all the water from the umbrella was going back, and my t-shirts and everything got wet, and that is wet from front because the rain, air. Fish cutting and there. Oh, he's there. He's cutting, and I'm holding the umbrella. Nange ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯ ನೀನು? ನನಗೆ ಮೀನು ಬೇಡ. So this is how my days are going on. ಈಗ ನಿಂಗೆ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಮಳೆನೇ ನಿಂತುಬಿಡ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಳೆ ಬೈ. Sorry, become sorry, become sorry. Oh, that's Sunday, and we already had our lunch. Lunch was mutton balls and ghee rice, and Dad brought fish also. So we are feeding the fish now. Till we were having our lunch, it wasn't raining. It was just quite cloudy, but it was not raining. But as we came up, it just started raining. I don't know for what reason. And we are stuck in the rain, and we just want to complete our work, and we're just doing it so that we can go down. And yeah. Till he has to clean the inside thing, and then again he has to cut them into small pieces. We'll just do that. It was like the rain just got slowed down, and but again it's raining heavily. ಹೌದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ? ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಗಿತ್ತು? ಒನ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಾ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ? ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಮಳೆ. Completely wet from back. Ayyo, devre. Got scolding from mommy. And the cleaning is done. I just kept the fish inside, but still it's raining so badly. I'll be going up again. Mommy, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾನಿ ನೀ ಬರಬೇಡ, ಬೇಡ, ಮಳೆ ಉಂಟು, ಬೇಡ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪುನಃ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. So I'll just go up and I'll see. I'll clean the terrace and I'll come back to you. This is how I look like. पूरे की पूरी भीग गई, and Daddy has gone to take bath because he was completely with the fish smell. सब कुछ Daddy के ऊपर था, इसीलिए. So he just went to take bath, and it's raining so badly. Oh my God! If I just ask him to like come in the vlog, he'll be like कैसे कुछ बोलती नहीं मैं उनको कि आओ कुछ करो. I'm gonna have very bad backache because I'm already having a very bad backache. I have very bad cramps, and I've got wet. I don't know. I'll get cold also maybe. Look at my hair. Fuck you. Enta. Mommy. Full on male, mommy. ಏನು ನನ್ನ ಮೀನು ವಾಸನೆ ನಿಂಗೆ? ಹಾಂ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆಂಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ನಾನು ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಚ್ಚಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಿದ್ದೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮಿ.
ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀನು ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಬೈ ನೋಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೈ. ಐ ಮೀನಾ
ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ನೋಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಪ ಸಿಗಾಕೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I'll just go change myself and come. I'm getting a very bad scolding from mommy. So I'll just go change and come. बाद में full पानी चली गया. Changed myself. I'm wearing a normal white t-shirt now again. This is the plain one. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you enjoyed the vlog, click on that like button and subscribe me and hit that bell button also. I'll just end up my vlog over here. I'll see you in the next vlog. So till then, take care. Bye bye.